Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Emerald and I make vlogs, lifestyle videos, product reviews, budgeting videos, and DIYs, which I'll be doing in this video today, making a DIY budget binder. So if that interests you, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. To make this binder, you will need, of course, a Cricut and a clean mat. You can easily clean your mat with laundry detergent. You're going to need vinyl, contact paper, scissors, and something to smooth out your contact paper and vinyl. And of course, you're going to need your book that you will be putting the vinyl on, as well as the envelopes. And once you have all your materials, then you will be ready to get started. So you're going to connect your Cricut to whatever device that you are using. I didn't show too much of me setting it up here, but there will be a clip of me connecting everything, and your Cricut literally tells you how to do that. But here I am looking for an image that I want to use. I initially wanted to use this eyelash picture, but sometimes when things are copyrighted, it can be hard to put on your Cricut because Cricut does not really let you do that, but there are ways around it. I just don't know how to do it, and I didn't do it in this video. So my Cricut is all set up. I did the setup process, and you could use the cut part if you don't really know how to use a Cricut. But here I am. I was trying to erase the background, but obviously it was just something wrong with this image, and I just didn't include it in my video because I'm going to do it another time, because like I said, sometimes the copyrighted pictures give you a hard time. But I didn't have time for that. But these are for my own personal envelopes and my own binders, so I really didn't have to do that anyway. I was just being extra. But for the text, you want to go into your design space and click text, type your words, and measure your item to get your desired measurements. I did 2 inches by 5.5, but I did still rearrange it. You can use the lock on the words. It's like going to be in the right hand, the lower left corner. You'll see in the video to make the exact measurements to your desired length. But I just did the 2 inches by 5, and then I did rearrange it so it's not actually 2 inches by 5.5. So yeah, you just have to play with it, and you can go to make it and preview it, and then come back to your sheet and your canvas, and then resize it again and go from there. The 2 inches by 5.5 is like the basics. But if you need better understanding, just leave me a comment and I'll try my best to assist you further. But yeah, it's pretty simple, and I'm just, like I said, readjusting it to how I want it. Then I go back to the mat and look and see how it's looking, because that is also another way you can really tell if it's going to be the size you kind of want it to be. Then when you're done, you want to go to make it, and you can space them out on the make it sheet, which is the little black sheet you guys saw right there. And I'm just showing you guys me adding more words that I want to add into my folder. I suggest you do 2 different cuts, because you're going to see in the video that I did mess up my vinyl, and then I ended up having to remake these anyway, but I didn't show that in the video. But yeah, just take your time with doing it, because you don't want to waste vinyl. But even the most professional people waste vinyl, so just be careful. Now that we're done with making our letters, we're not going to actually make them yet. We're going to put them on this vinyl sheet. So you just add the vinyl to the mat, and you're going to go to make it and do all the things it tell you to do. It's going to tell you to go to vinyl and then cut it and all that stuff. And then when you're done, you're going to start weeding it out and cut in the vinyl before you put the contact paper on. You guys are going to see exactly what I mean, because I did mess up my vinyl, and what I initially wanted to do was put contact paper on this whole paper and then smooth it out and then cut it to where I needed to be and transfer like that, but I messed up. So you guys only going to see me do 2 on camera because I did the rest off camera because I was having problems with my vinyl. But I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video so you get the idea. Give me something yellow, a yellow emoji down in the comment section if you made it this far into the video. So I hope you guys kind of get the process. If you don't, leave me a comment down in the comment section and subscribe just to see this binder in my budgeting videos, y'all. Look at Ava's envelope. It's full of money. Sis got bank, okay? But yeah, you're gonna start transferring the money. You gonna wave it in the air because we rich. I'm just playing. But yeah, you're gonna take the money out so that the surface could be flat, but you want to peel it off and then add it onto your envelope and make sure it's clean and free of lint and stuff. And sometimes when you go to re-peel the vinyl off the transfer tape or onto your surface or something, or from the vinyl, sometimes you gotta re-smooth it and stuff because sometimes it doesn't always come up. So you got to sometimes go back and re-smooth it out. So that is pretty much the basics on how to make these binders for budgeting. You can get really complex and do like the complex designs, but I'm only doing the basics because that's all I know how to do right now. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If this video helped you, leave me a like, and a comment, and make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is how the book looks. Bye.